Did you know that you can see how much battery your Rondo 3 has left on the audio processor itself? Let's take a look at how to do it.
To check Rondo 3's battery status, Rondo 3 must be turned on. Briefly push the on/off button. The main indicator light will blink to show how much battery charge is left. One long green blink means that there is over 75% of battery power remaining. Two shorter green blinks indicate that the battery charge is between 50 and 75%. Three short orange blinks show that the battery charge is between 25 and 50%. Four quick orange blinks show that the battery charge is less than 25%, and you should consider charging your Rondo 3. Four quick red blinks indicate that the battery charge is low, and you should charge your audio processor as soon as possible.
You can also check your Rondo 3's battery status via the AudioKey 2 app, so you never have to wonder how much battery your Rondo 3 has left again.